Hello, children. This is Ayushi George, faculty of Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Welcome you back again. Here I am to teach you maths chapter number 5, that is shapes and design. So, children, in this picture, can you see a paper? So, children, you will fold the paper like this and you will make a clapper. Now, children, can you tell me what is a shape? In geometry, a shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline, outer boundary, or outer surface. Now, children, we have some shapes. This shape is known as circle. This shape is known as square. This shape is known as rectangle. And this shape is known as triangle. Now, children, let us see what are edges and corners. Look at this picture, children. We can see that there are 6 children, Meeta and 5 more. Now, in this game, Tinku was blindfolded and asked to clap as long as he can while others will move around the table. The movement Tinku stopped clapping, everyone will stop wherever they are. The child who will not be at the corner would be out. Then he or she will be blindfolded. Now, children, looking at this picture, can you tell who is out? Yes, children, Gudu is out. So, children, can you tell me where Gudu is standing? Yes, Gudu is standing in the middle. Now, children, do you think this game can be played around a round table and why? Yes, children, this game will not be played around a round table because a round table does not have a corner. So, children, do you all know what is a corner? A corner is a place where two lines meet. Children, we have many things around us which have straight edges like chair, book, and kite. Children, the place where two faces meet is known as edges. Now, children, we also have some objects which have curved edges. For example, a wheel. Now, children, let's see what is a tangram. Children, the tangram is an old Chinese puzzle. From the piece of the tangram, we can make many shapes of animal, people, and things. Now, children, let's see what are weaving patterns. Children, Golu and Binku went to the market with their aunt. They saw many rugs. Children, which shape can you see in these borders? Children, we can see circle, square, and triangle. Now, for the homework, what you are going to do is you will look at your mother's sari and you will identify some of the shapes and you will draw that shapes in your rough notebook. Thank you.